Moving averages are supposed to help you catch trends, but most of the time, they make you late or get you chopped up. That's why this free TradingView indicator completely changes the game. It fixes the biggest flaws of regular MA, giving cleaner entries and far fewer fake moves. And the backtesting results make that point clear. Watch the full video carefully to uncover the indicator name and our private settings. During this video, we also will show you how you can access our top-notch private indicator, quantAlgo, which tells when to buy and when to sell, thus giving you an insane advantage over other traders. Without further ado, I'll show you how a new indicator fixes broken moving averages across literally any use case. Please note that the information in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It should not be considered financial advice. Remember that trading with indicators involves risk. The indicator is an advanced trend identification system that combines a simple moving average with a mean absolute deviation methodology to form adaptive bands with advanced strength filtering. By combining ADX-based trend strength validation with slope analysis, this indicator delivers institutional-grade trend detection while filtering out false signals in weak or choppy market conditions. One of the most common uses of a moving average is to identify trends. If the price is above the MA, the market is in an uptrend, and if it's below the MA, it is in a downtrend. At first glance, the MA is good at this. But what happens when fake breakouts like these occur? Does the trend really change here? Not necessarily. And this is where the MAD indicator stands out, removing that noise and showing a beautiful, prolonged trend. The second common use of MA is pullback trading. They tend to act as dynamic support or resistance levels. And once the price rejects them, it continues its dominant move. But what if the price doesn't pull back far enough to the MA, or again show fake breakout around it? And this is where the MAD indicator again beats the MA. Instead of a single line, it displays an area, making pullbacks far more effective to identify. You can then easily take trades when the price breaks back above the upper green bound in a bull case and below the lower red bound in a bear case. Finally, traders use MA breakouts or crossovers to enter trades. However, this approach is largely outdated, as it generates tons of fake signals. And this is where the MAD indicator delivers its greatest outperformance. With that, when the MAD line becomes green, we can enter a long trade. There it is. Look at the mind-blowing bullish wave that followed, delivering solid gains. In a bearish scenario, once the MAD line turns red, this is nothing more than a sell signal. Bingo! The indicator predicted a major downward move. Are you ready to supercharge your charts? To apply this next-gen MA indicator, go to the indicator menu. Before we continue, if you want to support our channel and all this hard work by our team, smash that like and subscribe button. It takes just a second. Search for SMA MAD Trend and opt for this exact one. Want to level up your trading? Meet quantAlgo, our top private indicator, which can be used in combination with previously discussed indicators or on its own. This high-quality algorithm, which combines complex trading processes to tell you when to buy and when to sell, was developed to enhance your trading experience. You can use it on any time frame for different asset classes. So, if you want to access quantAlgo to get results fast, all links will be in the description and the comment section below. Without this, algo will put you at a disadvantage. And now we're at the most important part, without it. The indicator works at half power and produces many false signals, particularly in ranging markets. The key is always to find settings that deliver the best results and a filter that removes the most fake signals. That said, open the settings menu. We have a lot of work to do there. First, we'll work with the trend engine parameters that control the smoothness of the mainline. We're particularly interested in SMA length, as the indicator implements innovative MAD calculation around the SMA baseline to create volatility adaptive bands. Higher values smooth the baseline and reduce noise, while lower values make it more reactive for lower time frames. For the 15-minute time frame, change the value to 13. The second key parameter is the MAD length, which enhances the baseline from the previous step to detect trends faster while avoiding entries in weak market conditions. Adjust it to 10. The indicator is so advanced that it even has integrated filters. we need to change the ADX length to 22, the slope lookback to 26, and the slope strength to 0.03. We're at the finish line, with one final step left, adding a proper trading filter to eliminate even more false signals and further improve the results. The confirmation we use is an advanced oscillator that combines fractal market structure analysis with adaptive volatility weighting and multi-derivative calculations to identify high-probability trend reversals and continuation setups. It filters out wrong entries during consolidation using multi-layer confirmation driven by acceleration analysis, statistical band context, and dynamic omega weighting. So, to confirm a buy signal, the fractal flow area must be green. Conversely, to validate a short trade entry, the fractal flow area should be colored red. Here we go. Adding it helps us avoid a lot of bad entries. To add this must-have filter, open the Indicators tab, type Dynamic Fractal Flow, and click on this one. To make it this powerful, open the Inputs menu, set the fractal length to 6, and change the waiting period to 11. Here are perfect examples of both long and short trades, with stop-loss placed below or above the most recent swing and a 1.5 for 1 risk-to-reward target. To assess the strategy performance, we will use the Quant Capital Strategy Builder, a game-changing tool that provides backtesting data for any TradingView indicator in under a minute. Simply open the Builder's Settings menu, go to the Set Long Conditions tab, choose the parameter that corresponds to the indicator's buy signals, and do the same for the opposite side. And here's the backtesting report. Note that backtesting results are shown for educational purposes only. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Here are the preliminary results for Ethereum on the 15-minute time frame using only the optimized MAD indicator. We have a very good win rate of around 62%, a mind-blowing net profit of 474%, and a very low max drawdown of 15%. Overall, you can already go live, but let's try to improve key metrics even more. So, open the Builder settings, where our filter is already integrated, and click here to enable it. Voila, we boosted the win rate to about 70%, lowered max drawdown to 13%, and although net profit dipped slightly, it came from less than half the number of trades, meaning the profit per trade improved dramatically. The remarkable part is that the strategy delivered 17 consecutive wins versus only 3 losses in a row. The equity curve looks amazing, crushing the buy and hold strategy. For even crazier results, apply Quant Builder's built-in momentum filter with a length of 45 and a noise length of 2 to achieve a 78% win rate and a 214% net profit. So, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. It really motivates us to keep creating and sharing fresh content more frequently.